Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are given that a ship sails 16 kilometers on a bearing of 330 degrees from A to B. From A, that means this is the north arrow that we are looking at. AB is the ending line. So this particular from the clockwise direction. So this is 330 degrees. It then sails 14 kilometers on a bearing of 301 degrees from B to C. From B, so B is here, to C. That means BC is the ending line. And the next bearing we are looking at here is 301 degrees. So this is 301 degrees. Find the obtuse angle ABC. This one. Okay, step 1. I saw something. I saw this red color and this red color. Oh? Why are they the same? Because of alternate angle. Yes? So, angle DAB is 360 degrees minusing my 330, because this is angles at the point 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. And I can find this as well. Because the whole angle there is 301 degrees, and I do know this is 180. This is a straight line. So I will be able to get angle. I'm going to name this point here E. So angle CBE is 301 degrees minusing my 180 degrees. And so here, right, I would then be able to get my obtuse angle ABC easily, which is simply 121 degrees plus my 30 degrees. With that, let's take a look. Find the distance AC. So for part B, right, distance AC, I am going to just simply do a rough sketch. C to B is 14, B to A is 16. And I have gotten that this angle here is 151 degrees. And I know this is 16. So with this information, 14, 151, 16, find this distance. All I have to do is to apply my cosine rule. So it is simply the square root of 14 squared plus 16 squared minus 2 times 14 times 16 cosine of 151 degrees square root. And this will give me a value of 29.0487. So about 6 significant figures. Final answer 29.0 kilometer 3SF. Part C. Bearing of C from A. So I'm going to pull out this diagram here. And for my part C, let's go back to this diagram again. Bearing of C from A. So from A means that the north arrow is here, north arrow. And I do need to, at this point, of course, I do need to draw the ending line. AC, I'm going to use green color. And from the north arrow, this will be the angle we are looking at. But previously, we already know that the bearing of A from B is 330 degrees. That means this bigger outer circle is 330 degrees. And therefore, if I know this angle BAC, I could find the bearing of A from C, BC from A easily, right? And we could do that now that we have certain information. We can actually apply sine rule. I have 151 degrees now. I also have the length of AC, 29.0487. So applying sine rule, sine of angle BAC over 14, sine of 151 degrees over 29.0487 degrees. So I will have my first pair, the angle here and the length. And this is my second pair, 151 degrees and 29.0487 kilometer. And once I have that, I would be able to get my angle BAC pretty straightforward. It's the sine inverse of this. And this will give me a value of 13.512 degrees. And therefore, the bearing of C from A would then be 330 degrees minusing my 13.512. 316.488. Final answer in one decimal place. And for the last part, distance AD, Let's turn our attention again to this big diagram, clean one. I do want to join AC though. And from here, there are certain information we already have, okay? We have this angle here, which is 13.512 degree. Previously, we have this angle also, 30 degrees. And it is important that we see that this is a right angle triangle. This whole triangle ACD is a right angle triangle. Okay, I color it out so that it's easier for everybody to see. We also have the length of AC, which is 29.0487. So in order to find the distance AD, I am going to rely on my knowledge of Tua Kaso now. Yeah, I have this angle here, this green color angle, and this is my adjacent side. This is my hypo, A and H. I'm going to use cosine. And so, for this part is simply the cosine of 30 degrees plus 13.512, that will be 43.512 degree is equals to adjacent side, that's my AD, dividing by my hypo, 29.0487. So from here you can see that my AD is simply 29.0487 multiplying by my cosine 43.512 degrees to give me the answer of 21.067 to 5 significant figures. Final answer 21.1 kilometer 3 SF. And with that, we have come to the end of this question where it requires us to apply cosine rule, sine rule, and Tua Kaso. Yeah, so this is a pretty long question. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.